Hey everybody, I hope you all are having a wonderful day. So today I'm going to be wrapping with the April 2023 Scarf of the Month, and I am super excited to be doing this one because April is my birthday month, and this one I'm looking at as a late birthday present. It's super exciting. Now I have opened up the scarf and the accessory and they are all ready to start wrapping with. When I first saw the scarf in the package, when I opened it, I was like, oh, it's a pashmina. Neat. It's a nice pashmina. And then I opened it up and I was happily surprised because I was sort of confused about a pashmina for April because we're starting to warm up and head towards to some the words towards summer. So I was like, okay, so I'll get a couple of like a month and a half wear out of it, and then I'll put it in for the winter. But I opened up the package and it's not a pashmina. I was super excited that it wasn't a pashmina. So it is this really lightweight scarf that only looks like a pashmina. She is so beautiful. All these different patterns on the ends. I'm going to show you here. I have this rather lovely, delicate pattern on the end. No fringes, or no tassel-y fringes, just these little guys here. And then along the edge of the long way, we have this border. It's rather beautiful. And then the center is filled with these very large swirling paisleys, and around them like leaves. So it's just really beautiful, and the blue is just perfect. It's this lovely shade of blue, not too bright and garish, but it's not too soft and delicate. It's just that sweet spot for the color. Now the brooch is a nice delicate double rings, sort of like the wedding ring pattern, and it's a double ring of double rings. So you have on the outside this beautiful pearl, and then in right here you have inside a clear crystals, and then the back is just one of the easy peasy, I say easy peasy, hooks. And again, it's rather delicate, so it's not huge and cumbersome when you're putting it on. And I think that is really nice with this particular scarf. Now I'm just going to be doing one wrap with you, and then I'll show you a couple of options for what I think would be really good to pair with this scarf. And so I think I'm going to put this guy on even Steven at an angle. I am wearing the mini bobo in white because I think a nice white shaper underneath of the scarf is best. Otherwise, the color might wear off or rub off onto your scarf, and you would also see through it. If I forgot to mention, this is 100% viscose. So I'm going to bring up a little bit just to make it fit better on my head. Let's see. I am going to skip tying a knot in the back. Okay, so let's see if we can't get this here nice and neat. Okay, now on this side I want to have another angle of this, so this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to fling this over. I'm going to spread it out, right? And then I am going to see if I can't. I'll lift it up a little bit. There we go. Have to be very careful. I damaged my nail last night and it wants to get snagged on everything. All right. So here we go. All right, so I have this, and I'm going to tuck it in the back and away. And now this piece, I don't really need another section. I don't really need another section of that. So I'm going to bring it up and over like so. And I've been wearing this style a lot lately, and I'm like totally loving it. So it's just really super simple. Go here. Okay, and then for the brooch, I think right here would be a beautiful. Okay, so I am totally digging this. It's nice and lightweight. Now I do have a piece that's poking down my neck. Let's see if we can get that stuffed in. Okay, and I will show you the back, and hopefully the back is nice and neat for me. And here we are. All right, so when it comes to pairings, I have in my lap an Israeli. This one is the golden Israeli in this peach color, because I think this blue and this peach would look amazing together. Just totally amazing. And then also keeping it tone on tone, this color of the blue golden Israeli, also perfect for a matchy-matchy, or a tough 2-in-1 also could be really lovely with this if you're going for the matchy-matchy kind of look. But yeah, I hope you all have a wonderful day, and I will see you again soon.